For two sets A and B, what will be the total number of relations from A into B? Okay, let us begin. Now, we have a set here that's given that our set A contains two elements. Those are 1 and 2. So let's write it down that the total number of elements in the set A that's equals to 2. And we have the set B. Set B also contains two elements, 3, 4. That means the total number of elements in the set B that's equals to 2 as well. Now, if we take the Cartesian product of A and B, then the total number of elements in the set, the Cartesian product of A and B, that simply equals to the product of the total number of elements in set A and the total number of elements in the set B. So that's equals to, so 2 times 2 will be 4. So that means there are 4 ordered pairs possible in the Cartesian product of A and B. Our goal is to find out the total relation from the set A into B. Now, the total relation from the set A into B, that's going to be given by 2 raised to the power of the total number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B. So 2 raised to the power of 4, which is equals to 16. So there are 16 relations possible from A into B. In other words, 2 raised to the power of 4, this is the formula for finding out the total number of subsets of the Cartesian product of A and B. The total subsets of the Cartesian product of A and B is simply going to be the total relation from A into B.